Hello everyone. So today I'm going to teach you on how to make a private and role exclusive channel on Discord. So let's begin. First, you need to begin by making a role. Now go to your own server, click on server, go to settings. After going on settings, you'll see down there's roles. Click on roles. We create a role. So role name is, let's do the leader. The role to the person. And there you go. So here you go, you have the leader. Now go back and, for example, in this channel, click on the channel, go to edit channel. After going to edit channel, go to channel permission, click on channel permission, add role, leader. So over here you can see you can view this channel to the leader, click done. And for everyone else, you can not let it view the channel and done. So everyone will not be able to view this channel. So this is how you manage a permission, make a role exclusive channel. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching.